We are back at Sunshade in Troy. Today we are doing a couple updates to the RS7. The first thing is I'm putting a brand new diffuser on the car. It's been completely re-clear coated. It's getting installed on it to replace the slightly damaged one. So when I bought this off eBay, there were a couple scuffs. It looked like the previous owner had set it down on the ground or something, and a couple minor scuffs on here too, but the whole thing has been redone, so it looks absolutely flawless. Just look at this. Yes. It would drive me insane knowing their imperfections, so this is gonna make me happy. Thanks, Darren. No and then we're gonna put a little bit of clear bra on some of the parts that are higher exposure towards rocks getting hit and things like that once it goes on the car. Look at these front brakes. These are the largest production ceramic brakes on any vehicle. The rotors are gigantic, and over them you get either 21, 22, or 23-inch wheels. Justin's working on the full. This is a 3M Stealth all over this Urus. It looks awesome. Is this thing hard to wrap given all the crazy creases and curves and general Lamborghini-ness?
Yeah, it's got its difficulties here and there.
Because like when you're doing stealth too, you can't, if you show any paint, it'll all show through, right?
Yeah.
So that's difficult. We've got this paint to sample GT3 around the corner. Darren's doing some side decals on it. Because these are OEM Porsche decals, they probably cost as much as a normal family car just to get some stickers. This color looks really nice. Once this is done, we'll pull the RS7, get it up on here, and put that new diffuser on. So, you guys remember what happened to the diffuser? RS7's parked outside, but this top piece, clearly the previous owner had like backed into something. There was a crack in the carbon fiber. They decided, they looked at probably the price of $5,600 for an OEM rear diffuser for the RS7, and they were like, I don't want to pay that. So they bondoed over it and then wrapped this entire piece in carbon fiber vinyl. I'll give them credit, it actually did a pretty good job of it because I didn't notice it initially, but after looking after a while, we noticed the weave on the vinyl piece didn't match the weave on the actual carbon, and figured that out, that was the issue. So I found this new one on eBay. It had a couple minor damages. I got super lucky getting one that wasn't structurally damaged in any serious way. Got the whole thing re-clear coated, so this is all brand new clear coat polished. I mean, look at it, it looks flawless. The sound of a 4-liter flat six. This car looks amazing. Listen to those squeaky brakes. Gonna be swapping in new rotors and pads and... So check this out, I've never seen this before. This is a Roush F250. It's got the Power Stroke turbo diesel, bunch of Roush decals all over the place. Lift it up. I actually really like the front end. They've got kind of the Raptor style grille with Roush lettering. Looks aggressive. I did not know they made these. It's gigantic. RS7 is up in the air. Old diffuser's gonna come off, so here's the all messed up area. Brian here re-clear coated the whole thing. He's gonna be helping out with the install. Brand new one is going on. All Torx bits. Nice. We're gonna pull the entire, we're gonna pull the entire rear bumper off. Here is the rear bumper assembly. Look at these. These are the side reflector lights. Eventually I will get these body colored. Because I just don't like the way they look. The bulbs are right here. They just plug right in. But they're pretty easy to pull right out. You can swap them and then make them so they're body color. Same thing on the front bumper right here. I'm actually happy on the RS7 that this is not in the headlight. Like on my S4, there was a little reflector in the headlight. So if you wanted to get rid of that, you'd have a new headlight assembly, which is way more expensive than just swapping one of these covers. So this is the piece that is behind the carbon that holds the exhaust tip.
Yep.
That's an entire like
so the
structure.
carbon's basically just cosmetic.
Oh, there we go. Yeah. It just loops around the outside, so you can see there on the bumper the piece that Brian's holding right there.
Because
those
you know
are the
why
tips.
they figured this wouldn't be consistent.
For
a fit.
Okay.
For the exhaust bracket, so they probably just made a substrate.
That's cool.
So it's a nice setup.
Science G63. Listen to this thing. I love this thing. We're gonna film a review of it soon. It's a Designo custom color. I think it's like Desert Sand or Desert Storm. Even the back of the door is quilted leather. That is so fancy. Pretty easy to install the new one. Just line up all the clips. Okay.
I just picked the two in the center to start to close.
Oh yes. Oh, that looks so much better. Darren's junk drawer. Why do you have so many Audi A's?
Oh, we
Just
debadge
so cars. Found a Quattro badge. I'm totally gonna find some usage for this.
You want to see a bat? Hold on. Let's go over here.
All right, what are we doing? What are we doing, Darren? These Bronco parts? Oh, that's 4Runner parts. Whoa! Holy badges! We've got AMG badges. We got Audi rings. These are worth money. X-Drive. These look really small though. What are these from? An E3
That's
or something?
probably from, no, that's probably from an R8.
Oh, really? Okay. There's a Pininfarina badge back here too. Turbo badges. Just came off a Ferrari.
Yeah.
That's
They
so
never
cool.
want them back.
Oh, really? So you just have a little collection. You could probably throw these on eBay and make some money on these.
Should.
We're gonna protect that top piece that was damaged on the other one with just a little bit of paint protection film. We're gonna leave the underside exposed, I guess, because actually we looked at the factory one, and after 25,000 miles, there really wasn't any damage on the underside. So we're just gonna protect this part because it sticks out on the top, and you can see, I mean, this one was the one that was ruined. Hopefully it should be okay. I might elect to put more on once the car is getting paint corrected and everything later on. We'll watch Darren at work, working your magic. So there's these extra tabs right here. It looks like OEM, they actually get like almost super glued or some sort of adhesive to hold it together. Yeah. Brian was dissatisfied with that, so we got these really cool clips that are super strong. They're going in, holding them in. A little bit difficult to get in, but once they're in, they're really gonna hold this thing together, and hopefully nothing vibrates or moves. Taillights are back on, tightening everything up. Look at this. Brand new, looks so much better. Oh wow, I am happy now. For the last couple weeks, I felt so bad. Every time I see the back of my car, it was just kind of horrible. There was like a vinyl was coming off and the weave didn't match. This is how it should be. I am very happy. There we go, the new diffuser is on the car. Thanks again to Brian and Darren at Sunshade. It looks amazing. We've got a little bit of paint protection on the back there. Completely redone, looks flawless. I am very, very happy with that now.
You said he got the kinks?
There we go, the new diffuser is on my car. It looks amazing. Special thanks again to Sunshade for making it all possible. They did the paint protection on my car, the tints. They also can do the carbon work as we showed. Extremely happy with that. Next up for the car is gonna be new brakes first, and then wheels, looking at wheels already. I'm gonna get an exhaust for sure. The car is gonna get paint corrected and ceramic, and then I will be very, very happy with my dream daily driver, and we'll keep making videos on it, doing a couple road trips. It's been great so far. Really happy that I have the brand new diffuser on it. It kind of was really bugging me knowing that it wasn't exactly perfect the way I wanted it to be. Hope you guys like this video, kind of seeing what it was like to get it on. I got really lucky. I got a $5,600 OEM diffuser, all in, completely done on the car for $1,400. Saved a ton of money. Really have to kind of do creative ways to find ways to save money on ownership, just because it doesn't make sense to spend more than you need to. Doing the same thing for my brakes. They cost an insane amount OEM wise. Finding a couple ways around to save some money, but still preserve the performance, the quality, the engineering. I'm not going to compromise and cut corners, but I will do my best to not waste my hard-earned money. But there we go. Hope you guys like this video. If you have any questions, please comment below. Thanks for watching.